Hello, everyone. Welcome to Yuno Learning. Working upon building your lexical resource in effective and productive manner, we bring to you the theme travel. Moving ahead, let's deconstruct the word travel itself. The part of speech travel comes from is verb, and the form of verb are travel, traveled, traveled, and the present participle is traveling, meaning to be on a journey or to go from one place to another. Etymology from Middle English travelin to go on or make a laborious journey. Sentence usage. They had to travel 50 miles to acquire the spare parts they needed to repair the machine. Now, some key terms derived from travel itself. Retravel, verb, that means to travel again. Travelable, adjective, capable of being traveled. Traveler, a noun, one who travels quite often. Travel sickness, a noun, a feeling of sickness caused due to the motion of a vehicle. Cybertravel, a noun, to travel through cyberspace. Travelogue, noun, a description of one's travel journey. Travel worn, adjective, tired or exhausted by traveling. So the next time you are exhausted by a journey, they simply say you are travel worn. Moving ahead, let's look at another term that's transportation. Part of speech is noun, meaning the process of transporting, that is, taking away someone or something from one place to another through a vehicle. Etymology from Old French transporter. Trans means across and portiere means to carry. Sentence. The transportation cost for the shipment exceeded the budget marginally. Key terms from transportation. Number one, import, a verb, to acquire goods or services from a foreign country. Portfolio, a noun, a case in which items are carried. Porter, a noun, a person who carries luggage. Portage, a noun, the cost of carrying or transporting. Portable, a noun, something that can be carried or moved conveniently. Portiere, noun, a curtain hung over a door or doorway. Teleportation, a noun, in fiction, instantaneous act of traveling between two destinations without crossing the intervening path. In sci fi, that is science fiction movies, you might have seen a person traveling from one place to another without having actually crossed the path. So that is simply coined as teleportation. Moving ahead, let's look at some other terms from travel theme. Souvenir, a noun, a thing kept as reminder for a particular place or person, or a memento. They collected various pine cones to take back as souvenirs. Luggage, a noun, travel bags or suitcase used for packing personal belongings. Sentence. The portage for the entire luggage from airport to hotel was nearly 50 euros. Hospitable, an adjective, friendly and pleasantly welcoming to visitors. The place we stayed at was run by a team of professional and hospitable hosts. Spectacular, an adjective, beautiful in a dramatic manner. The view from the top of the hill was spectacular. Hodophile, a noun, someone who loves to travel. Sentence. Since she is a hodophile, she published her experiences in a travelogue last month. Itinerary, noun, a travel plan with list of destination used during an excursion. All of the tourist destinations were marked on the map given in the itinerary. Fare, noun, money paid for a journey made on a vehicle. The airfares for international flights surged during the month of May. Departure and noun. The action of leaving. Sentence. The estimated time of departure for the train was written 30 minutes past 6 in the morning. Now let's look at some previously asked questions in the IELTS exam on the theme travel. What kind of places do you travel to? Has a foreign visitor ever stayed at your home? What all essentials do you carry while traveling? Cue card. Describe a trip you have taken. You should say, when did you go? Where did you go? Why did you go? What did you do there? Now let's try answering some of these with the vocabulary we just learned. Number one, what kind of places do you travel to? I am a keen traveler and I admire places that are rich in heritage and culture. I frequently visit traditional places with stunning architecture and purchase lots of local handicrafts to keep as a souvenir. Number two, would you recommend a foreigner to visit your country? I would definitely recommend a foreigner to visit my country since it has spectacular geographical landmarks, a fascinatingly diverse culture, and scrumptious local cuisines. Also, people of India are the kindest and most hospitable hosts. Number three, what all essentials do you carry while traveling? While traveling, I prefer to keep my luggage light. I carry a portable charger for my gadgets, an itinerary of the place, and a portfolio with important documents. I also pack a well planned set of clothes and few instant snacks. Now, here's a question asked in the essay writing task of IELTS. Many people today are choosing to travel to other countries. Why is this happening? Is this a positive or negative development? Now, try writing this on your own with the vocabulary we just learned. So, that's all for today. For more personalized live IELTS and spoken English classes at affordable prices, enroll today. And don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.